वाह नहीं
हम चाहते हैं एक लाइन में जिसमें नंबर देख लो उसमें नक्शे में ये ऐसे करके वो यूज हुआ तो क्या खड़ा हुआ है पैडी धाम जो खड़े हुए हैं कमर समुद्र की
ये और जैसे
Master, why did God create this universe?
That is a very difficult subject. May I take it religious way?
Yes.
Or scientific way?
Spiritual way.
Spiritual way. Well, there is power around the center, around the real center of God. Now when the time for creation came, it produced Easter. And Easter, when Easter is there, bubbles are also there. So really we have bubbled up by that Easter. Short answer. And scientific way is something else.
Yes.
Scientific way is energy if maintained in a bottle or in anything for millions of years, it will lose its effectiveness. It will become dormant. It will lose its effectiveness. So energy was there. God, when saw that I shall lose myself, or in other words, I will meet the death. Because if that energy is silent, there is no God and no creation. Therefore, he began to send power beyond his own sphere, and the creation was the result. So, in order to preserve him, he created world. Am I clear?
Yes.
Dr. Murthy, I am clear?
Yes.
Or I may say in other way. It is necessary, I think.
Many people in the West ask why it's necessary to have a guru in meditation.
Why do you go to the school? Tell him first. You simply sit in the class and sit like fools, that's all. So class is there, but master there should be. And there are other reasons also for the meditation. It keeps you calm. It keeps you away from many bad thoughts. It brings you in contact. It brings into contact with God. Any other thing?
Today you were talking about love. What is love?
Opening yourself to reality or divinity
Is love.
is love. When We are open. Yes, in a way, the creation is a whim. And I have opened everything to him. There is nothing between myself and God. I don't know whether I spoke this word correctly.
Yes. Then only a real master can give real love all the time. Is that correct?
Well, how to love? You should ask this question, how to love?
Yes, how to-
By remembrance. If you love anybody, you will remember. And if you begin to remember him, you will begin to love him. That is the only way.
Supposing one doesn't know how to love, and he take up to meditation and attain the end.
And he takes the meditation. Of course, meditation, if he is interested in meditation, will itself create it. And if he is not interested, no. Of course, by transmission, light goes, that nobody can. Even if you give to a dacoit, the light will go.
Now then, Master, we have so many gurus and so many abhyasis taking up to yoga. Are there any categories among gurus and abhyasis?
Well, if divine qualities are there in Guru, he can be selected. The other qualities is that he can transmit his own force. And Swami Vivekananda also said, there are gurus who can lead me to perfection. But I want such a guru who may utilize his own power for our perfection. That guru is needed. Because time is saved, but you should be interested. Yes, anything? You will use, yeah?
How many people will be able to be here?
I don't know, less than 600 or 800.
600 or 800
And for the rest, outside.
outside.
There was one tent, big tent, and they will sit there. Because 2,000-3,000 persons cannot come in the evening hall.
When people are coming from the west, will they live here or will they live in...
As they like. If
As they
suppose
like.
if there are 100 persons come, 70, of course, they will naturally come here.
Will the dining hall be out there?
There. If we could. यही तो बात है कि प्लाट भी वही ले लेगा करा लिया वहाँ इधर अलहदा जमा करना देखा जाए